Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about surprise pennies. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that Dollar General has been absolutely on fire this week with the clearance items and penny items. I have already uploaded 3 really awesome videos for you all, so make sure that you go and check them out. They're going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And then I also wanted to remind everybody that we do have several sales going on this week at Dollar General. We have a bath sale event, so these are buy one get one half off. We also have the clocks, lamps, and mirrors, buy one get one 50% off. And then we have the dinnerware and kitchen organization items. Those are buy one get one free, and all of these sales do run through February the 22nd. Now, if you are new to penny shopping at Dollar General, please keep in mind that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny items, penny sales, whatever you want to call it. We're not going to talk to the employees about it. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app to price check them, and if the price shows up at 000, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. And of course, if you need the penny policy, it's always posted for you over on the community tab. Now, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm going to go ahead and let these items scroll across your screen. I believe there are over 100 slides that you guys are going to be taking a look at in this video. So tons and tons and tons of items that you can pick up right now at Dollar General for just 1 penny. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, scan, scan. Now in this video, you're going to kind of get a mixed bag of tricks. So I have been going through my list and pulling visuals from there, but I have also went out penny shopping myself. So I'm sharing with you all the things that I have found, along with any of the crazy couponers that have sent in pictures and items and information. All of that information is mixed into this one video. So there's a lot of information, a lot of items, and let me just go ahead and say, you guys have been doing amazing. Some of the hauls that I am seeing and hearing about, I mean, just wow. I really wish that I was there with you all when you score these huge hauls, that way I can celebrate with you, because wow. I mean, Renee, she's sending those pictures that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. 700 items for $7. Can you all believe that? That's absolutely crazy. And while I'm at it, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Cindy, Heather, and Renee for sending in pictures and information over the last couple of weeks. Thank you guys so much. That is a huge help. And I am going to be getting caught up on my emails over the next couple of days. So if you have sent in pictures or deals or things that you have found, I promise I will get back to you and I will respond. So don't freak out if you haven't heard from me yet. Just give me a couple of days. All right. Now, while we're taking a look at the rest of these items, I do have a couple of quick notes that I wanted to share with you all. #1, your miles may vary. So what I'm finding is on some of these items, they might be a penny at one store, but at the next store, they might be full price. That happened with me with the chapsticks that I showed you all earlier in the video. So again, make sure that you scan before you go up to the register, just to double check. #2, whenever we are dealing with food items or vitamins, medicines, anything with an expiration date, you always want to be careful. Double check your expiration dates before you go up to the register. You may also want to check for recalls as well, because these items have been on the sales floor for a while. And also be aware that Dollar General does have a little workaround when it comes to these items pennying out. So let's just pretend that you have a box of the spaghetti noodles that just recently pennied out, but the expiration date was for last year, 2023. Well, unfortunately, the employees can refuse to sell you that item, and they are completely within the rules of penny shopping if they do that, because the expiration date has already passed. Dollar General does not have to sell you that item. Now, I would say that it's pretty rare that the cashiers actually check the expiration dates when they are ringing you up. And of course, if you go through self-checkout, you don't have to worry about it at all because you are the cashier. But just so that you guys are aware, I wanted to remind you all about that little tidbit. Now, also, number 3, a lot of these food items are found in the dollar aisle. So if you're not finding them in the clearance section, check over in the dollar aisle. I was actually watching another penny shopper this morning. Shout out to Sade with the receipts. She has been out there penny shopping, and in her videos, she actually takes you into the store so you can see exactly what penny shopping is like. Plus, she gives you all kinds of tips and tricks along the way. So y'all make sure that you go and check out her YouTube channel. I'm going to leave it linked for you in the pinned comment down below, and y'all tell her Craz-E sent you right on over, okay? But anyways, while I was watching her, she always makes me laugh. And this morning, when I was watching this video, she was looking for the Clover Valley pickles. And she's like, guys, help me out. Where should I look? I cannot find these anywhere. She went up and down every aisle. She looked high, looked low, looked everywhere you go. And lo and behold, there they were on the dollar aisle. So if you guys are not finding these food items in your clearance section or the regular spot in the regular shelves, make sure that you check up and down the dollar aisle. I do know some stores have a specific $1 food aisle. Some do not. Some have kind of like a mixed $1 aisle where the food is mixed in with the toilet paper and the toothpaste and all the other things. So make sure that you check there. Of course, in caps, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Make sure that you're looking on the top at the sky shelves. I know, especially with all those boxes of pasta, I scored huge at 2 different stores. And y'all keep in mind, we had a pretty fantastic glitch with these pasta items last year where they were a penny. They were ringing up a penny at self-checkout, I believe. That was the glitch during a clearance event. So I thought these stores were completely wiped out, but lo and behold, there they were. I believe you guys are going to see a picture here in just a second. Check that out. Every single one of those spaghetti boxes, 1 penny. Can y'all believe that? So you just never know until you get out there and start looking. And like I told you all in yesterday's video where we went over all of these surprise penny ice cream products, if you missed that video, make sure that you go back and check it out. But like I told you in that video, we always disregard what the inventory says in the DG app. 99% of the time, it is incorrect. So whether it says they have 20 in stock, out of stock, not sold at this store, that number, that little spot in the app means nothing to us when it comes to penny shopping because 99% of the time, it is wrong. So you really just have to get out there and start looking and scanning and see what you find. All right, guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now. I'm really excited to get this one out to you all ASAP so I myself can run to DG and see what all else we can find. So if I do find any new penny items, I will post that for you over on the community tab. Until then, y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.